So in the previous class we have seen what is a frequency polygon. It is also one type of a histogram method in which the diagram will be explained clearly. Now we are going to see Ogives in DV based concept. Our students going to explain this Ogives concept.
Good evening. Today we are going to explain about Ogives. So my team members will be explaining about. Kaushika will explain about enterprise. Kavya will explain about ideate, and Hamika will explain about define, and Carol will explain about.
So here are the learning objectives of that. In this video we are going to see what is Ogives and how to construct an Ogive. Next, what are the practical applications of Ogives?
Good evening. We'll see about empathize in Ogives and the real world challenge. For example, students who have written the examinations and calculate their percentage. And in that case, we are going to see about below 70% students who have to calculate insights. We will take delicious and time consuming insights. We will make them difficult and time consuming very more. So that those data sets will be converted into visual stories. Visual stories insights will be connecting with the points and will solve the problem. And this is next slide will be explained by Graphical.
Let me define Ogive. Ogive is representing cumulative frequency in a graph. It is about finding a median based on the intersection of points. And it is of two types. It is of less than and greater than Ogives. And next will be continued by.
In ideate, we will see the step-by-step construction process of Ogive. In that, there are 6 steps. First step, organize your data like frequency table, the use of frequency and class intervals. Second step, finding class boundaries using the formula of upper limit of one class and minus lower limit of next class. Third step is calculating cumulative frequency. In that, less than Ogive type. Add frequencies from top to bottom, greater than Ogive, add frequency from bottom to top. Fifth step, plot the point, mark the point clearly and accurately. Then fifth step, draw the curve, connect all the curves smoothly, avoid sharp angles. And final step, label and verify. In that, we label the axis x and y and verify that our curves make logical sense.
So can you explain what is cumulative frequency?
Cumulative, adding one value to the next value.
And how will you organize your data?
We have frequency table, class interval and frequency.
As we have to organize our data using ascending order format or in descending order format for your upper and lower terms. Next prototype will be explained by Caroline.
In prototype, we will see how to construct the Ogive.
So here are the frequencies which are given. So in this scores of you students from the range 40 to 100 were given.
These were the mark of the class 12 obtained from for a class 0 to 50. So in the interval 0 to 10 there were 6 students and 10 to 23 students and 20 to 37 students, 30 to 40, 60 students and 40 to 58 students. So for there are two types of Ogive, less type and more type. For less type we will take like less than 10, less than 20, less than 30 and less than 40. For less range will be 10, 20, 30 and 40 and 50. So for here we will calculate cumulative frequency as normal. First value will be same, next we will add those two value and 9, next with 9 we will add this and we will construct. So first we will plot this value in the graph. For 10 it will be 6.
So she marked the less than numbers, that is less than intervals in the x-axis and the frequencies in your y-axis. Now she is plotting the values of frequencies. So again,
40, 22 and 50, 30 and this curve will be the less frequency curve. Rising curve and for more data we will be taking this lower 0, 10, 20 And this midpoint, if we find this value is called median.
The midpoint value is called the median value.